guys, so yeah, I was late last night, so I didn't manage to record when I got here to the kind of like Ferrari hotel. I'll just show you inside the reception a little bit. Running slightly late because I've got to be at the factory in like 10 minutes, but luckily it's just here. But this hotel is quite cool. It's called a place like a Maranello village, so everything here is all Ferrari. This is the entrance area here, and it's all Ferrari stuff, so you can see like there's got a Ferrari car in there and everything as well. What I'm gonna do is just check out, I'll show you the entrance area, head straight to the factory, and we'll touch base with you guys when I get there. Okay, checkout done and heading to the factory now. It's actually interesting, it's snowing here in Maranello, so everywhere else was completely fine, but here in Maranello it is actually not snowing right now, but it was clearly heavy snowing, as you can see over there. So yeah, headed to the factory. This whole village is basically just centered around Ferrari, so going to be there in probably about 5 minutes or so. So as you can see, even in the car in front, this Fiat's got a Ferrari horse on it. So I'll show you the approach to the place, and then let's see how much I can record in the factory. Here we are at the home of Ferrari. So I'm here outside the Ferrari factory. This says no photography, so I've got to be really careful here. I can't do too much. From this point onwards, I'm not sure what I can show you, but I'll try as much as I can. But I'm going to head to the atelier now and spec my 812 Superfast. It's going to be fun. Okay, so managed to check in. I'm going to just record until somebody tells me to stop doing it. So inside this area here, as you can see, which you've just come in from the entrance on that side over there, I believe where we're going is either behind this black door or behind that door over there. A little bit of Ferrari kind of memorabilia stuff that you can pick up that's on the side over there. Cool F1 car. I'll try on the way out because, as I mentioned, I'm in a rush to get to the Lamborghini factory, but what I will try and do is pass the F1 building where they build all the F1 cars, which is just opposite, which is kind of crazy because in this town of old buildings, you see this brand new building which looks amazing. It looks like a massive motorhome, but that of course is the home of Ferrari, the picture outside that you normally see. I'm going to try and get my Instagram picture from there. And if you're not following me on Instagram, somebody's going to turn me off in a second. So yeah, I think I'm going to get told to stop filming. So here inside the atelier now, just went to the factory and went through the 812 production line, the Portofino and the 488 production line, which is amazing. Of course I couldn't film. To give you a little bit of insight, a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be actually. I was expecting a much bigger space, so it was more refined. But that's why I know that obviously the cars are coming off a little bit slower. But ignore my face and everybody's looking at what's behind me. Of course you can see the pista here. This is the one that was at Geneva, I believe, here in the atelier. So I've been told by Zach over there that it's open, so I'm not about to look stupid. Set the alarm off, there we go, it is open. And this is the pista. Carbon, oh, this is the satin carbon in the interior on this one. I love this car. I think the spec on this is amazing. I think this looks so good with the Alcantara here, satin carbon here, and then the stripe as well, which I was kind of just asking, but we don't know yet. But I think potentially if you go tailor-made, you can have this done in carbon fiber. But for me, this car, the back is where it is at. Anyway, enough of the pista because, of course, this is not what I'm here to do. I'm here to spec the A12. One thing about the production line as well, everything, honestly, everything in there is basically red. There's a few black cars, there was 1 or 2 yellows, the special yellow paints and everything, but everything in there was basically red. We're just waiting here in this entrance area now and gonna go head up into the new atelier, which apparently is since September. So, let's go and do this. So, inside the atelier room now. 812 Superfast in black behind, looking amazing. But this is the atelier room. Let me show you around quickly. This is obviously the desk where the magic happens. Screen there, obviously you can choose everything and see your configuration with all the options here. I really want to put my hand and pick all of those stuff out. All the wheels and everything as well. This looks really nice. And all of these options that we're going to go through, a lot better than the one at Edinburgh. And then all the car seats here, important coffee machine. Here is the 812 Superfast in black. And it looks amazing. This one has we'll get a look inside properly afterwards. It's got a tan interior on this one. And then yeah, here are all the paint options. So I guess, let me hold the camera here and everybody in the comments below, everybody comment below, which color out of these would you pick? Comment below, which color would you put onto this car? But it's time for me to spec. So let's get on with this. Now the 812 specking room is on that side, but I've gone through this little secret door. And what's in front of me, it's pretty special. This is the first time I've seen this one as well. Let me turn the camera around. Pista Aperta. So this spec is like a silver white kind of color. I'm not sure the exact color. And of course the blue stripe going down there. Check that out. It looks amazing. And hopefully, oh no, this one doesn't. This doesn't have the carbon fiber wheels, but these do look amazing. These wheels look incredible. And then we've got blue carbon. Check that out, that is blue carbon. Here as well on the pillars. And this one I believe is open as well. The key is in there. Check this out. What a space. And again, satin carbon seems to be a popular option. Satin carbon on the doors as well. But wow, I'm not sure the camera is picking up this color. As I move around it, probably you'll see it, but it's like a whitish gloss kind of color, but almost looks a bit silvery as well. I mean, just look at that. Looks amazing. These, I think, are all the seat options as well that you can pick here. That looks amazing. Yeah, it's a pretty cool room. Pretty much the same as the other one, but a special place if you want to come here and spec your car. Very lucky, very blessed to be here. Just gonna take it in, enjoy it. Yeah, let's get back to the 812 because that's what I'm here to do. Should I maybe come back and do this? Will I get one? No, I will not. Okay, the spec is done. There's a crazy amount of stuff here on the table. As you can see, all different options, yellow, black, black, lots of things. Been very helpful here as well with speccing the car with all the options. Zach just keeps adding things that are gonna cost me more money, adding to his thing, but it's been really good. You can kind of see a little bit of an indication on the screen. Let's just have a look at the car for a second inside here. I've kind of gone for different seats and things, so what I can tell you is that, you know, I've gone for different seats than these ones. I will still be keeping it race, but a lot of custom things I've done which is a little bit different, so you will hopefully see that when the car arrives. But yeah, really excited. Really excited. They've got some cool things here. It's a nice place to do it, and then they've got stuff on the screen where they can show you the car arriving. So yeah, there's a little bit of an indication there of what things will look like. But I'm going to wrap it up there. I'm now going to head, of course, to the Lamborghini factory, where I'm going to go and spec the SVJ and do that there. So I'm going to rush over there now. That is going to be, of course, in the next video. So I hope you enjoyed this. Leave as many comments as you want about what you think that I've gone for, what spec that I've gone for, what you think I've changed it to. Like I said, it's different from, of course, the one that I did with Zach back in Edinburgh. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, subscribe, do all the other bits. And I'll see you in the next video, which of course will be me at the Lamborghini factory. Bye.